I have a real small client. They are in the automotive repair. It's actually one of my first clients that I got to come on board. This client, he has all the challenges of any small business. But one of the key things was that his telecom was a typical telecom that you would see with small business. He was sold multiple packages. Actually, they called it a 3-for-1, in that he buys one, it was a bundled deal. He got telephone, he had internet, and he had fax, and he had TV. So lo and behold, when I went into this client, I looked around and I didn't see a TV anywhere. And I noticed he had multiple phones, and I asked, "What's with each phone your one-man show?" He said, "Yeah, just one person." So you got 3 phones and a TV? He said, "Yeah, they told me it was a bundled deal." Well, long story short, I was able to go in and save him quite a bit of money by removing the over-provisionings that he was sold. And today, he recommends me. He talks to other small businesses and says, "Hey, this guy really will help you." And in doing his value report, we projected X amount of savings, and it turned out we doubled that amount of savings.